A sing-along, we have a couple sing-alongs. We'd like you guys to participate with us, and I think you probably know both of them. We'll tell you what they are later. We're going to bring part of the band up for a song, and then we're going to have the whole band play for it. You thought it was loud now, it's going to get louder, okay? Now, third grade, where are you? Raise your hand if you're a third grader. Okay. You folks are going to have the opportunity to play one of these instruments next year, so I want you to pay close attention to all the different instruments that we have. We're going to go ahead and get started with the orchestra, and we're going to do a real quick warm-up for you. Not for you, more for us, actually, a warm-up. We're going to do 8, 8, 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1 real quick, just to hear us. Make sure we're okay. No problem. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, I think we're all tuned up and ready to go. Now I want you to be real quiet because these kids have worked very, very hard on their music. They have been working all year, and in some cases, some of these kids have been working for 2 years on their instrument. So we hope you enjoy it. The first number we're going to do, this is called Upon the Presentation of Royalty. Upon the Presentation of Royalty. To warm up, get the kids used to using the bows, and to make sure that all of our strings were in tune. That's what that did for us. And before we do our next song, we need to do a second warm-up, which starts us using the fingers of our left hand. When you start, if you decide to play violin or viola or cello or bass, you would start by plucking the instrument, which you're going to see in our next song a little bit, and then you start using the bow right around Christmas time. And when you start using the bow, you really start using the fingers of your left hand too. Let's do that second warm-up, please. 4 open Ds, 4 1s, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play. All right, the next song we're going to do for you, I think you probably know it. We're going to see if you recognize it. See this guy in the back here with that big, huge violin. Can you hold that up for them? It's actually not a cello. That's kind of hard to see there. That's a string bass, okay? And that's Griffin. Griffin plays the acoustic bass. But once he learned that, he was also able to play an electric bass, which is played almost exactly the same, except for you hold it differently. We're going to show you the difference between the two. Griffin, could you play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the acoustic bass? Listen real closely because this is quiet.